I'm getting ready to start working on a paperweight. This is gonna be a gift for a friend. And I really love these paperweights. This is the rectangle one, the beaded rectangle. I believe a couple of years ago, maybe 2 years ago, I did teach a class. We use the same company paperweights, but it was a shape of a heart. And we actually used the copper tape all the way around. So you put your image inside and the image is printed on cardstock. And in this one, I believe we put a coat of decoupage glue inside just to protect it. And then we wrap it in copper tape and scallop copper tape. This one is going to be a little bit easier, so I decided to do a little video. This specific image is from Debrina Prat, and I will share a link for her Etsy account. She has amazing, gorgeous images, and so this one is the one that my friend would like for her birthday. I love when my friends tell me what they want for their birthday, so I don't buy anything that they're not gonna like or they're not gonna use. So I'm happy to do this for her. This one is another one that I previously made, and it's for sale on my website. Another of Debrina's images, and I added little pink flowers and glitter. In this one, I don't have room for flowers because there are already flowers on the crown and on the left and the right. So I only added some glitter. Another one I'm gonna make about 3 paperweights. So I have one left, and I decided I'm probably gonna use one of my photos when I was little. We'll see. I think I'll use this one and make it for myself. So first thing we're gonna do is clean the glass. And right now you only have to clean the inside where your image is going to be. When we're done soldering, we'll clean the outside of the glass. This one is ready. I already traced the paper, and this is not cardstock. This is the cardstock. This is the matte. You can find them any craft supply places. They use this for frames, to frame artwork. It's black in one side and white on the other side. So I already traced, and the only thing I have to do is cut. Now, to attach the cardstock to the mat, you can use decoupage glue or just lay on top of each other, and that should just stick together. It's up to you. Always cut inside your pencil line. If not, it's gonna be a little bit too big. And I think I will use some decoupage glue just in case. See if they fit perfect or if it needs to be trimmed. And I think it's going to work. No, never mind. I'm not gonna put decoupage glue. Okay, now I'm gonna use the 1/2 inch copper tape, and this is the black backing. It's pretty strong, so this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna wrap it all the way around and solder it. Gonna hold it together, and you can start whatever you like, doesn't really matter. You want enough in the back to keep your paper together. And push your mat down so it's not bowed. And wrap it all the way around. When you get to the other side, you're gonna overlap your copper tape about 1/4 inch and cut the extra. Now, as you can see, I didn't push the copper tape down until I'm completely sure that it's straight, or, you know, as close as I can. Now I can push it, the copper tape, down. Burnish. Okay, now we can start soldering. And now we can start soldering. You don't need a lot of flax for this project, just enough to cover the copper tape. Sometimes the copper tape tends to lift up, so when you're done soldering, just press your copper tape down and make sure that it's attached to the paper. And that's it. All done. There's going to be some steam inside, but that is going to clear up in a little bit. See here, the copper tape is lifting. Just push it down. Now the only thing I have to do is clean it. I usually would patina afterwards, but my friend really, I don't think she likes it dark, so I will clean it as much as I can. And let me shut off the soldering iron. And let's just clean it. I'm gonna clean it with glass wipes. And that's done.